it's me, Nani here. So today I was very excited to show you guys the Orbeez Relaxing Hand Spa. So previously, I had in my other video I was doing the Orbeez Crush. So today I decided to get the Orbeez Relaxing Hand Spa. So I'm very excited to open this. Also, I want you guys to leave me a note in the comment below that if you are an Orbeez fan, because I am. If you haven't watched my Orbeez Crush video, make sure to click up here. So let's get started. So what it comes in the box is this nail care tool, and it comes with this waterfall spout, and it comes with the 600 Orbeez. And the waterfall spout, you have to put it right over here. Here we have the base, and it has an on and off button. So this is where you put the waterfall spout piece. And here is where you put the Orbeez and water in. And it has an on and off button. And right in the back, it has like this battery piston. And the batteries are not included in the box. Ask your parents to get you batteries. This is my favorite part. So let's grow Orbeez. Now it's time to let them grow. Okay. My Orbeez are ready, and my batteries are in place. Now I have to put in the waterfall spout. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of water and the Orbeez, and we're gonna test it out. Now it's time to pour the Orbeez into the basin. Now it's time to test it out. Wow, it's so cool! Oh, water's coming out. Oh wow, it's so relaxing. It's time for a manicure. So I want to continue with my manicure by painting my nails my favorite color. Bye guys, I hope you liked the video. And if you're an Orbeez fan, make sure you leave a comment in the box. And make sure to like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Make sure you click right over here. Bye!